Machine quilting curvy, pointed arcs has never been easier thanks to my brand new ruler, Smiley. I'm Angela Walters from Quilting is My Therapy, and I am so excited about this innovative ruler. No more trying to quilt around the point of an arc only to have it turn out rounded, thanks to Smiley's needle stops. These allow you to easily position the ruler to create a perfectly pointed arc. Simply quilt along the edge from one needle stop to the other, reposition the ruler, and repeat. Reference lines will help ensure that my points line up each and every time. Plus, having needle stops means that I can create two differently sized arcs with the same ruler. Use Smiley to create arcs, motifs, even curved echoing. But that's not all. You can use Smiley to create all over designs as well, such as leaves and cable designs and more. The Creative Grid's grip on the back helps prevent the ruler from slipping, and the reference lines in black and white mean you'll be able to see them no matter what color fabric you're working on. And to help you use the Smiley ruler to its full potential, I've put together a downloadable PDF with step-by-step quilting diagrams. To download that or to find out more about the ruler, just click the link in the description box below. Happy quilting!